So today we will work on the JavaScript. First, I will use document.querySelector to select the submit button, pop-up div, and close button. So copy this ID, submit btn, and open script.js. Create a variable submit btn and use document.querySelector to select submit button by using its ID, submit btn. To select this pop-up div, I will create another variable popup and use document.querySelector to select popup div by using its class name. Finally, to select the close button, I will create a variable close btn and use document.querySelector to select the close button by using its ID. Currently, the popup is hidden by using CSS. If you open style.css and under popup, you can see there is visibility hidden. To show the popup, we need to click this submit button. It means we need to add a click event on this submit button. And upon clicking, we need to add another class, openPopup, where we will add CSS property visibility visible, which will help us to show the popup. So let's add a new class name called openPopup. And here I will add visibility visible. Now open script.js and let's add the click event for this submit button. So use submit btn.addEventListener. I will use the click event and a callback function. Inside this function, I will add a new class in popup by using popup.classlist.add the class name, which is openPopup. If you click the submit button now, it should open the popup. Now we need to hide this popup when you click on this close button. So add a click event on this close button. Let me use close btn.addEventListener. Use click event and a callback function. Inside the function, I need to remove the class name. So let's use popup.classlist.remove openPopup. Let's test again, and if you click on the button, the popup is visible. If you click the close button, the popup is hidden. The popup is now showing and hiding based on the click event, but there are no animations. To add some nice animation effect, let's use CSS keyframe rules. So open style.css, go all the way to the top, and just after the Google font import, add keyframes and some name. Let's say fade in. Then in 0%, I want to use opacity 0, visibility hidden, and the position of the top to be 40%. Likewise, in 100%, I want to change them to opacity 1, visibility visible, and the position of the top to be 50%. To use them in our class openPopup, use CSS property animation and add a name, which is fade in. Add duration, I will set it to 0.2, is in, out. Now this time, when you click on the submit button, you will see the animation, but when you click on the close button, you still don't see any animation effect. So let's add another class name close pop-up. Here, I will add visibility hidden. Then again, we need to add another keyframe rule for this class name. So go all the way to the top, add keyframe, fade out, and this will be opposite of fade in. So in 0%, I will add opacity 1, visibility visible, and top 50%. Likewise, in 100%, I will use opacity 0, visibility hidden, and top to be 60%. Now, let's use them in close pop-up. So add animation, fade out 0.2 second, is in out. Finally, we need to use this class name in the event listener. So open script.js. When you click on this close button, we need to add close popup class. So add popup.classlist.add close popup. Now when you click the submit button and close button, you will see the animation. But after you close them, you can't open the popup again. So in the submit button, we need to remove the close popup. So add popup.classlist.remove close popup. If you check the preview again, this time you can see the animation when you click both the submit and close button, and the popup is showing and hiding too. Great! This is the end of this finalization. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn JavaScript project Create Popup. I will see you again in my next video.